Thank you everyone for joining me. Today we're going to be looking at the Victorian era hair. In the Victorian era, the woman's hair was considered an important part of her appearance, and it marked her status and her femininity. It was common knowledge that a woman's crowning glory was her hair. For the poorer classes, maintaining long terraces amid the disease and poor hygiene of the time was highly impractical. Many women resorted to selling their hair for cash. One of the most important aspects of Victorian hair was neatness. Regardless of the style, hair had to be kept clean and shiny. That's it for now, and I'll see you next time.